The Suzuki GSX-S750 looks brawny and beefy and almost similar to its bigger sibling, the Suzuki GSX-S1000. The style is brawny and pleasant at the same time without being over the top. And the best part is, it looks like the S1000 from afar too, unless you look up close. The Suzuki GSX-S750 offers a brilliant package and a very attractive proposition at Rs. 7.45 lakh. The engine has been derived from the legendary K5 motor of the 2005 GSX-R 750, known for its performance, although the architecture has changed, with the cylinders stacked in a slightly more vertical manner. This 749cc inline-4 retains the same refinement and similar performance which its ancestor was famous for. Maximum power is rated at 113 bhp at 10,500 revolutions per minute, and peak torque of 81 Nm kicks in at 9,500 revolutions per minute. It's silky smooth and has enough performance to make every ride an enjoyable one. The sound of the Suzuki GSX-S750 is one of the first things which immediately impresses, and it begs to be revved with the intake roar and exhaust howl making music together as you wring open the throttle while flicking through the slick 6-speed gearbox. Handling is the GSX-750's forte, and it's forgiving and makes it look all too easy to carry much more corner speed than you would think of. Even if you make mistakes or falter mid-corner, it never for once scares you silly or makes you feel the bike is unsettled. The brakes are superb on the Suzuki GSX-S750, and for newer riders upgrading to their first performance bike, the 8-level ABS will be a boon under all kinds of conditions. The Nissan 4-pot calipers offer superb bite on the 310mm twin rotors, and makes shaving off high speeds seem effortless and without drama.